How to design revolution slider hero section in Figma. Designing your slider revolution hero section in Figma before building it can save time and give you a clear creative direction. Start by opening Figma and creating a new frame that matches a standard screen size. Add your background layer, whether it's an image, color, or gradient. Place your headline text, subtext, buttons, and any icons or design elements you want in your hero section. Once your Figma layout is ready, replicate it in Slider Revolution by adding the same elements as layers. You can drag them into position, apply animations, and style them similarly. This gives your hero section a professional look. If you want to test out powerful tools that help you bring Figma designs into life visually, I highly recommend joining Slider Revolution. Use the free link in the description. Design consistency matters a lot when working across platforms. So planning in Figma first helps you maintain that when building in Slider Revolution. It keeps your creative process smooth and focused. Before we wrap up, remember you can access more design features and faster workflows by joining Slider Revolution for free. The link is in the video description.